Hi, it's me again. It's Cyrax. We're going to learn some more stuff today. We're going to learn lots of stuff with me. What we're going to be talking about is the sync button. A lot of people over the past couple of years don't really like the sync button. It makes you not a real DJ. It makes you not a proper DJ because you're not beat matching and stuff like that. I can beat match. Honest, I can beat match. What we're going to do is, a lot of people don't like the sync button, but what I'm going to show you today is I'm going to show you what it can free you up to do. All the hints and tricks that if you actually use the sync button, all the cool stuff that you can do between, you know, the time that it gives you when you're not beat matching, all the cool stuff and all the tricks and the hints that it can do to free you up while you're DJing. So that's what we're going to do today. So let's start it off. Boom! So what we're going to do, we'll just go over to the decks right here. So what we'll do is okay, so what we've done, we've engaged the sync button. Coming out full of power. Coming out full of power. So that's one of the first little hints and tricks that I like to do. Make a nice ham and cheese sandwich. Make a nice ham and cheese sandwich, you know. The sync button really frees you up lots of time to do little tricks with the ham and stuff. What I will say though is don't leave your ham next to the decks. Make sure, otherwise it might go off. Make sure that you leave your ham in a nice chilled environment. That's all you do. Yeah. Right, so trick number 2.
Results have been independently checked and verified.
Oh my god. I hope that bitch doesn't win. I hope she doesn't fucking win. Oh my god, what is Laura still doing in there? What is Laura still doing in there? What's she doing?
Last night was shit. It was fun. Utilise.
I don't know who's going to be. I think she's just stringing Wes along. I think she's just stringing him along. There you have it, guys. That's all the stuff that the sync button, it gives you lots of time to work on lots of different things so you can sync to your heart's content and get loads of stuff done in between and really become that DJ you want to be. Follow your YouTube channel as usual. Follow Energy Field. If anyone moans to you about the sync button or anything like that, oh next on vinyl, just tell them you can now do a lot more and you can do a lot more hints and tricks and you don't, and I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, check back for more tips. See you later. Bye.